Hello and welcome to the Advanced Foundations of Python Programming 2021 training course. In this course, we are gonna explore the advanced foundations of Python programming language step by step from the ground up. This training course is so powerful. We are gonna dive deeply into the advanced foundations and concepts of the Python programming language. Also direct to the point, interactive, and will save your precious and valuable time. And this course is carefully designed for you. And for each advanced concept in this course, you will understand it theoretically and practically with real examples, many examples in this course to clarify each concept in detail. So, do you want to advance your Python development career? Do you want to create real Python programs using advanced foundations and concepts of modern Python programming? If your answer is yes for these questions, then in this case, this course is designed for you. By the end of this course, you will learn many advanced concepts, starting from advanced collections like named tuples, default dictionary, counters, order dictionary, and also queues and deques, all that and more, theoretically and practically with real examples. Then you will learn and master the advanced functions for zipping, unzipping, evaluating Python expressions, also for memory view, mapping objects with the lambda function, the advanced lambda function, enumerating objects and executing Python expressions easily with the advanced functions concepts. And in the next section, you will learn about args and kwargs in detail to pass arbitrary or variable number of arguments into the function body. You will see how to use args and kwargs in detail with real examples. Also, you will master all about iterators and iterable objects in Python programming language from the ground up to iterate over sequences using different techniques with tips and tricks. Also, I'll show you in this section how to build an iterator from the ground up. You will learn to build custom iterator using functional programming concepts and also object-oriented programming concepts easily and simply. In the next section, you will learn and understand the generator functions from the ground up with many yield statements also instead of using the return statements, and also mastering how to use the generator expressions to save your time shortly and in a concise way. The next one, you will learn metaclasses in Python programming language. You will learn how to use built-in metaclasses, and also you will build custom metaclass from the ground up. After that, we are gonna explore decorators in Python programming language. Before starting with decorators in this section, we are gonna start with a simple overview about functional programming. Then we are gonna explore how to decorate a function in detail, theoretically and practically, using the regular way and also the best way to do that, the most popular way and the most useful way to do that using the @ symbol or the @ character. After discussing and practicing decorators in Python programming language, we will explain in detail the comprehension techniques for list comprehension, dictionary comprehension, set comprehension, and also for the weird part here, which is the tuple comprehension. We are gonna explain and practice all of that in detail step by step, theoretically and practically also. After that, you will learn logging in Python programming language. I will show you how to build a logger in Python programming language to indicate the problems for your program, to store what will happen for your program inside a file, inside a logging file. Finally, you will learn to use the calendar library from Python libraries to create custom calendar with different ways. I will show you the power of this calendar library in detail. Now it's time to talk about the requirements to take this course. The first requirement to take this course is the Python programming language basics like variables, data types, data structures, control flow using conditional statements and loops, also functions and object-oriented programming concepts like classes and objects. This is the first requirement to take this course. And the second requirement to take this course is the working environment or any IDE you use. In this course, I will use the Jupyter Notebook. You can download and install it, or you can use any working environment for Python programming language you wish. Who this course is for? This course is for any Python beginner who knows the basics of Python programming language. Also, any intermediate Python developer should take this course to master the advanced concepts about Python programming language. And also, this course is for anyone who wants to master, understand, and practice the advanced foundations and concepts of the modern Python programming language in no time. My name is Ahmed Ibrahim, and I'll be the instructor for this course. And if you have any questions during this course, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. And once you complete this course, you will get the certificate of completion, and you can easily upload the certificate of completion to your LinkedIn profile or any career profile to advance your dev career. Thank you so much for watching.